Welcome. Today we're just going to be going into an introduction of GarageBand and how to set up to record and how to mix vocals. So when you open GarageBand, you come to this, you hit New Project. Now if you're going to make a beat or whatever, you would pick, loops or keyboard collection or whatever, but we're going to make a soundtrack, so we're going to do voice. If you know what the BPMs are, the beats per minute, blah, you can put them here, and then that way your bars will be where your bars are supposed to be, keys, signatures, and then you can name it. We'll just name this video and create. And then this is what you get: one male basic, one female basic. I'm not a female, so I'm going to get rid of this, delete track, and personally I come in and pull everything down or turn them off, whichever. And then, but we don't have a beat, so let's go get a beat. Let's see. So right click on the beat you want from your iTunes. This is how I do it. Show in Finder. It'll pop up the window. There it is. And then just drag it over. And it's importing the file. Now, depending on what kind of microphone you have, which the cable for my microphone is in my car, but when you hook it up after you open it, it'll pop up a thing of what you want to use. And you want to click OK. Actually, hold that thought and I will get my cable. Alright, I'm back. So, when you plug your mic in, which I have a Blue Yeti, and I recommend it. Upside down. When you plug it in, ta-da! And it says detected it, yes. Now it'll get all of its information. As you can see, it's not picking up my voice anymore from the microphone itself. There we go. And then when you want to listen to it back, either through speakers you have hooked up or through your computer, you can disconnect the cable and use built-in audio. But I'm going to be using the microphone for this purpose. So now we're all ready to record. Mic's hooked up. We have our, and you're going to have to make sure that your gain doesn't hit the red. Like spit a few times and have whoever's recording it for you, or if you're recording it yourself, record a little bit and make sure that you're not hitting the red too much right here, or it'll be distorted, and it won't really matter if you're not going to master it, but once you go to mastering, it'll peak out and it won't be very good at all. Anyway, so let's see, beats in there. Yeah. So where's the hook? I think it's right around here. So I'm clicked on the male basic, it's blue, so it's ready to record. So all you do is press R and I'll record something real quick. Gotta get my Arizona, gotta get my Arizona, gotta get my Arizona, Arizona sweet tea. Gotta get my Arizona, gotta get my Arizona, gotta get my Arizona, Arizona sweet tea. Gotta get my Arizona, gotta get my Arizona, gotta get my Arizona, Arizona sweet tea. Gotta get my Arizona, gotta get my Arizona, gotta get my Arizona, Arizona sweet tea. Alright, that's evidently the hook. But one important thing that I've noticed some people don't do is take out breath spots, which I always do. So if you hit this little scissors, the scissors at the bottom, down here, you get this screen right here. You can change the pitch here, and as you can tell on the track up there, it's getting -3, -4 corresponding. So it'll sound
Gotta get my Arizona.
That's what it sounds like, and then this is what it sounds like normally. I gotta get my Arizona. And this right here is for auto-tuning, but that's a different time. So when I'm clipping out a track, I single just that track so that you don't hear anything else. And you just drag it over. Oops, I have. And make sure you take snap to grid off, because that'll mess with you. but the bottom part cuts. Well, where am I? The bottom part cuts down here, cuts. If you come up here, this is for the audio changing how long this is. So we can take this and stretch it that way or this way or whatever. But I'm going to leave that alone. So then we're just going to listen through and see if there's a breath. Gotta get my Arizona, gotta get my Arizona, gotta get my Arizona, Arizona sweet tea. Gotta right there, that breath. And then you just come, clip it out. After you have it highlighted, press delete, and then listen to it again. Make sure sweet tea. Gotta get my make sure you didn't cut anything out. Once you get it all cut out, now you're ready to mix them, which for the purpose of this, to show you better,